Morning stiffness. That first step off the bed can feel like walking on gravel. Getting out of a chair takes a little courage. If that's you, take a deep breath today. We're going food first. I'm going to walk you through 7 collagen-supporting foods that can help your body rebuild and protect joint tissues naturally. As we age, our collagen production drops. Give your body the right amino acids, glycine and proline plus vitamin C, and a few minerals, and it knows how to put the pieces back together. Stay with me because by the end you'll have a simple 7-day joint menu you can start tonight. And before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. When does your joint pain hit hardest, mornings or evenings? Here's a quick perspective to spark your curiosity. Your body can make collagen on its own, but only if it has the raw materials. Think of glycine and proline as the bricks and vitamin C as the spark plug that starts the building process. Fancy supplements can help some people, but gentle cooking, simmering, slow cooking, baking pulls collagen out of bones and skin right into your meals. One of the options I'll share even comes in a can ready in half a minute. Another is something many people peel off and throw away. And one isn't collagen at all yet. Without it, your body can't build any. A short story to set the tone. I worked with a woman in her 60s named Diane. Hip discomfort. Stiff mornings, a determined walker who wanted her glow back. She added a half cup of warm bone broth most evenings, swapped a sugary snack for canned sardines on whole grain toast at lunch with a squeeze of lemon, and kept up her prescribed medications and gentle strength work. After 3 to 4 weeks, she said, mornings feel friendlier. Not a miracle, not a cure, but food made the day-to-day easier. Small, steady meals beat big once-in-a-while fixes. A brief note about safety and where I'm coming from. I'm a health science communicator who works with older adults on practical nutrition for pain, energy, and healthy aging. I'm careful with claims and I prefer food before pills whenever possible. If you're on blood thinners, have kidney disease, gout, heart conditions, or special sodium or protein limits, please check with your clinician before changing your menu. We'll favor slow cooking, simmering, and baking, and we'll keep salt in check. Let's build your toolkit. 7 collagen foods to help joints feel more comfortable. Number 1. Bone broth. Slow-simmered bones release gelatin rich in glycine, the same amino acid family the body uses to produce collagen. Aiming for half to 1 cup warm in the evening is a simple habit. Add a squeeze of lemon or toss in a few vegetables for vitamin C to support collagen assembly. Choose low-sodium options or make your own and skim excess fat for a lighter sip. Number 2. Sardines in olive oil with skin and bones. This tiny powerhouse delivers natural collagen, calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s that support joint comfort. Spread them on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon 2 to 3 times a week. If you're watching sodium, a quick rinse and pat dry helps. Number 3. Chicken skin, baked or roasted, not fried. When you roast skin on thighs, you keep that collagen elastin matrix intact. Enjoy a modest portion and chop any leftovers into soups for flavor and texture. Balance your plate with colorful vegetables and avoid deep frying to keep things heart-friendly. Number 4. Eggs softly cooked. Eggs provide the building blocks glycine and proline and a nutrient-rich yolk older adults often benefit from. Try poached or soft-boiled eggs and pair them with tomatoes or bell peppers for a natural vitamin C boost. If you track cholesterol, it's a good idea to discuss your targets with your clinician. Number 5. Unsweetened gelatin or collagen-rich cuts, like beef shank, oxtail, or tendon. These become silky and tender when cooked low and slow, delivering collagen in a gentle, digestible form. Stir a little powdered gelatin into soups or plain yogurt, or make a pressure-cooked stew until everything is melt in the mouth. Skim excess fat, and keep sauces low in sugar. Number 6. Pork skin used wisely. A small piece can flavor a pot of beans or greens, adding collagen to the broth without taking over the meal. Think of it as a flavor accent rather than the main course. Watch the sodium and saturated fat, and balance the bowl with plenty of vegetables. Number 7. Vitamin C rich. Produce the spark plug. Your body cannot make collagen without vitamin C. Add kiwi berries, citrus wedges, or bell peppers to at least 2 meals a day. If citrus conflicts with your medications, berries or kiwi make excellent alternatives. A few quick rules of the kitchen: slow cook, simmer, or bake, avoid charring. Keep salt in check and hydrate through the day. For many older adults, 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal is a helpful target. Always personalize with your clinician. Let's turn this into a simple, flexible 7-day joint menu you can actually live with. Swap days as you like, repeat favorites, and adjust portions to your appetite and guidance. Day 1 breakfast: 2 soft eggs with sliced tomato. Lunch sardines on whole grain toast with lemon. Dinner beef, shank stew with bell pepper strips. Evening half a cup of warm bone broth. Fruit a handful of berries. Day 2 breakfast oatmeal with a teaspoon of gelatin stirred in and blueberries on top. Lunch chicken skin soup, leftover roasted chicken chopped into a low-sodium broth with vegetables. Dinner baked fish with a crisp citrus slaw. Day 3 breakfast plain yogurt with a teaspoon of gelatin and sliced kiwi. Lunch beans and greens flavored with a small piece of pork skin. Load the bowl with vegetables. Dinner roasted chicken thighs, skin on with a side of steamed broccoli. Day 4 breakfast eggs with sautéed bell peppers. Lunch sardines over mixed greens with lemon and olive oil. Dinner a vegetable stew with a bone broth base. Keep the salt light. Day 5 breakfast cottage cheese with berries. Lunch chicken skin barley soup with a simple side salad. Dinner slow cooker tendon or shank with carrots, skimmed and served with greens. Day 6 breakfast a berry yogurt smoothie if you like. Savory freeze bone broth in small cubes and add 1 for protein. Otherwise, skip it and keep it sweet tart. Lunch sardines with whole grain crackers and sliced tomatoes. Dinner pork skin flavored greens and beans followed by an orange or kiwi. Day 7 breakfast soft eggs with sautéed spinach. Lunch tuna or sardine salad brightened with lemon. Dinner leftover stew served over cauliflower mash. Evening half a cup of warm bone broth. How quickly will you feel a difference? Collagen foods aren't a cure for arthritis, but many older adults notice gentler mornings and easier movement when these meals are paired now with the plan from their doctor, steady walking, and a touch of strength work. Think in weeks to months, not overnight. Your joints love routine, and your body builds with what you feed it most often. If this plan feels doable, please tap. Like it helps more seniors discover simple food-first ways to support joint comfort. If you'd like more guides like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step in your healthy aging journey. And tell me in the comments, which of the 7 foods will you try first this week, bone broth, sardines, or eggs? If someone you care about is battling knee or hand pain, share this with them so they can start their own 7-day joint menu tonight. Education only, not medical advice. Partner with your clinician to personalize it for you.